Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a poll on your YouTube channel. So if you want to create a poll that can be shared out to subscribers and you want to kind of gauge your viewers' sentiment on different issues, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set that up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your YouTube channel page and you want to select the Community tab. And now select where it says either image poll or text poll. You can do either one with images you can attach or just do a normal text poll. So you can ask different questions, and you just would type in your question here or what you're trying to see the community thinks. And then you would select post. You can also schedule the post by clicking the drop down and select schedule post instead and then schedule it out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.